Welcome to What is Bitcoin? A beginner's guide. In today's world, the term Bitcoin surfaces everywhere. On news, in conversations, and perhaps from your children or grandchildren. But what exactly is Bitcoin? And how does it fit into the broader concept of cryptocurrency? Let's explore this digital revolution in the simplest terms. To start, let's think about the money you use every day. Whether it's paying for groceries or receiving your pension, money serves as a medium of exchange. Now imagine a type of money that is purely digital, not controlled by banks or governments, but by the people who use it. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an individual or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Born from the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin's purpose was to offer an alternative to traditional banking systems, a digital currency that offers transparency, security, and independence from centralized authorities. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Think of it as a public ledger that records all transactions, visible to everyone but secured by cryptography. This makes Bitcoin not just transparent, but incredibly difficult to counterfeit or manipulate. So why should you care about Bitcoin? It represents a shift towards a more open financial system. For some, it's an investment. For others, a means to send money across borders without hefty fees. Bitcoin challenges the idea of what money is and introduces the possibility of a future where financial transactions are more accessible and controlled by individuals, not institutions. As we conclude today's journey into the world of Bitcoin, remember, this isn't just about catching up with a trend. It's about embracing a future where you have greater autonomy over your financial well-being, beyond the traditional banking system. But the journey doesn't end here. If you found value in our guide, please make sure to like and subscribe for more insights into Bitcoin and how it can play a role in your financial future. And for those who wish to dive deeper, our premium membership awaits. It's your gateway to a supportive community where you can get your questions answered, stay updated with the latest news, receive assistance with signing up for services, and learn how to steer clear of scams. It's all about empowering you with knowledge and support. Join us in the premium community, and let's embark on this learning journey together. With curiosity and caution as our guides, we'll navigate the evolving digital landscape, ensuring you're well equipped to make informed decisions about your financial future.